Hi all, it's Emily here from Yellow Tuxedo. I really hope you're well wherever you are. Now today I just wanted to spend a few minutes with you explaining why we love YouTube as a platform for social media and social searches so much more than all of the other platforms put out there. Now I love them all equally really, but YouTube has so much leverage and so much power to really help you with your SEO and getting you up the search engine rankings. Now why is that, you ask? And a lot of our clients always ask that because they just can't work out why their client doesn't sit on YouTube. They don't understand why they should be using YouTube. Their ideal client model says they're going to be using Instagram and Facebook and all of that. Here's a very simple example of exactly why you need to be having YouTube in your strategy to really help you show up. Now, SEO, keyword strategy is so important when you're working out how you want to show up and where your audience is going to find you. And we have spent a long time with our other business, Bailey Bell Tents, working out the exact key phrases where we're showing up and doing well in the SERPs. Now for us, one of our key videos that we've put onto YouTube as our macro content, and we talk about macro all the time, is that we have worked out how to put up a 5-meter bell tent is a really searchable term and really is favourable for our business. So we created a video on how to put up a 5-meter bell tent. Simply Alan's out in our garden, putting up a tent in real time, showing people how to peg it out, how to put the lines out properly, how to make sure it's taut. It's really quite boring if you don't like bell tents, but for us, it's exactly golden content. So if we go onto YouTube, we're going to find exactly where we hit in the rankings for YouTube. So how to put a 5-meter bell tent is on the search bar. I'm going to hit go. And there we are, position 1 on page 1 with how to pitch up a 5-meter bell tent, canvas tent with Bailey Bell Tents. It's got 42,000 views on it, which by no means compared to the big hitters of the YouTube world is massive, but it's enough for us. We have we can only do so many weddings and events in a year, so actually we're quite happy with 42,000 views. What's really exciting is that we come up just above boutique camping in this particular search. Boutique camping is a national manufacturer for tents, so we're coming above our manufacturers. And then you'll see as well as we hit down, a few of our other videos are ranking on that same page because it's similar content. So how to install a wood burning stove, how to pack away a 5-meter bell tent, and so on and so forth. And if we go to the bottom here, we also have some related searches related to our business as well. We are this 7-meter bell tent just here. That's great, you say. My ideal client doesn't use YouTube, is a lot of the time the things we get from our clients. I'm going to show you now exactly how the YouTube content is going to help your client find you. So if we now hit Google, and we're going to use that exact same long tail key phrase, how to put up a 5-meter bell tent, and click on that. Straight away, you can see, without us actually optimizing our website and our content that way, our YouTube video has been the first thing that Google has picked up on to answer that search term, above all of the actual content from the websites and above the ads and the Google ads as well. That is so ridiculously powerful. You know, we are showing up because YouTube has been drawn as part of that search. It's been optimized. It's optimized content and it's been done properly. If we hit the image search as well, there we go. You can see the exact same cover art has been pulled from YouTube to help fulfill this search query on Google. Now, what can we do? There's so much we can play with here. You know, ultimately, Google owns YouTube, and to an extent it owns Pinterest as well. It has 2 powerful platforms there. Why is this so good? Because these are not social media platforms, these are social search engines. They're fully optimizable content. You can use your keyword strategies that we work on with our SEO for our websites and all of that, and we can apply that to our content, and making sure we have a decent content strategy is so important. This is what's going to help you get onto the Google search engines without having to optimize. We still want you to optimize your website, but how you can use the power of everything across the internet to really draw everyone to page 1. If you'd like some help with that, or you're really not sure where to start, do get in contact. Alan and myself are pretty much geeks when it comes to online presence, and we love talking about it. So do get in contact if you want to. You can subscribe to our channel. It's full of other hints and tips about how we leverage social media and social presence to make sure that we are getting to page 1 of Google. Thank you very much.